Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And the fact that you're here therefore means you should be subscribed, so please subscribe and press the bell so every single time I post my amazing content you're the first one to see it. Now today we're going to be doing a demo on how to make the lemon and sugar scrub, and a common question may be, what is the benefits of the lemon and sugar scrub? Well, the lemon is an excellent sugar bleaching agent, and the sugar helps to exfoliate all the dead skin cells. The citric acid in the lemon helps to lighten the dark shade of your lips, in turn making your lips look pink. So we're going to demonstrate how to make it right before your eyes, so please stay tuned and take tips. It's very quick and easy. And guys, depending on how much you make, you can save some for another day. You don't have to use all in one day, and I would just say just store it in the fridge. And what this is going to do, this is going to exfoliate your lips because this is very paste-like. And I will be attaching some pictures of what this specific paste can do within a week or so to your lips. Sorry guys, that's just a bit of the lemon there. Don't worry, that's a bit of the lemon, just in case somebody's thinking, oh my god, what's that? Oh my god. See, very paste-like. And how long did it take? I don't even think it took 30 seconds, honestly. Now guys, as you know, I have new content coming out daily, so please don't forget to subscribe, and press the bell. And just stay tuned for the pictures that are coming up, because I want to give you a clear example of what this paste can do for you personally, your friends, family, and whoever's around you. Don't forget to subscribe. No, I'm joking guys. Subscribe and press the bell.